So guys, for the first method, you want to go to search and type in display settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, make sure that your scale is on the recommended option and make sure that your display resolution is also correct for your monitor. And make sure that your display orientation is also correct. See if that works. For the second method, you want to right click on your desktop and then click on show more options. You want to select your graphics card control panel. For me, I have the NVIDIA control panel. I'm going to click on it. Select your monitor and you want to go to your monitor display settings. So if you're using the NVIDIA control panel, you want to select adjust desktop size and position. And now once we're here, make sure that you have full screen selected and make sure that your resolution is correct. It might be telling you to apply your changes right here. If it does, you want to apply them. Next, you want to go to the size tab and you want to select enable desktop resizing and then click on resize. And now this will come up. You can now resize your desktop like this. So make sure that's correct and then click on OK. Hopefully one of these methods will have fixed your problem.